Alrighty, so today I'm going to show you how to create this sort of oxidized copper patina look for any of your 3D prints. For this you'll need some assorted acrylic paints. I used blue, green, sort of teal, and a little bit of white. Additionally, you'll need paintbrushes. Here's this little eagle's head print that I quickly made with my Prusa i3. i3 Mark III, that is. What you're going to do is not thoroughly mix all the paints, but you need to create a blotchy texture that creates a roughness, an imitation of the patina. It's a combination of this kind of teal blue color, which is the oxidization of copper. And it shouldn't be completely uniform. It should be sort of grainy and blotchy, and this can be accomplished by sort of mixing in the different colors and using white to create different kind of textures and levels of elevation. But that should be pretty straightforward. And then I decided that I wanted mine to be more, be a little more blue. So I dry brushed a little bit of blue. What you're going to want to do is wipe most of the paint off on a piece of paper and quickly and lightly brush. And what this does is it adds the paint only to the elevated parts of your sculpture or mold, or in this case 3D print. And we're going to do a similar thing with the copper here in a second. In this case I started with a darker bronze kind of copper and began to lightly brush that on, and it took many layers, but eventually I was able to get a dark kind of tarnished copper look. And then after that layer was complete, I took the lighter, more refined copper, painted that over in the same dry brushing fashion, and what that did was basically create the illusion of this oxidization where the patina is resting in the crevices and the copper is only on the elevated parts of the 3D print, and that makes it look like a more natural oxidization where the weathering, the actual weathering of the elevated parts is removing the patina, so the patina only rests in the cracks and crevices of the 3D object.